Chapter 1 Integer, Exercise 1.3. It's a question number 1. Find each of the following product. Okay, product indicate, the product word indicate multiply, right? So first we are given here 3 into minus 1. We know that when we multiply 3 with 1, then 3 1 ja 3. But as along with the negative sign is there one time, that's why it is minus 3. चलो let's move out with the B. Minus 1 into 2 to 5. 2 to 5 into 1. When we do the product, then 2 to 5 into 1, it gives the result 2 to 5 only in a product. But because of one of the number is negative, so the answer is in negative. The product will be also negative. Let's work out on C. We are given minus 21 into minus 30. Fine. Let's check how to do. We know that very simple. You should not bother about this 0. Okay. This 0 remains same as it is here. Okay. As we know that 21 into 3. How to multiply 21 into 3? 1 3 ja 3 and 2 3 ja 6. It means the product of both of these number is coming 630. Now how to decide the sign? As you have seen here, one time negative, that's why answer negative. Here one time negative number, we are doing the product with that, so answer is negative. But here you can see the number negative, this is also negative. Both the numbers are negative, so while multiplying, minus will be in plus. So sometimes you are free to write plus 63 630 answer. If not, then simple write 630, then also it's correct. Let's move out with the D part. The D part said minus 316 into minus 1. Let's work out on this. Now minus, okay, if we multiply 316 by 1, then of course by multiplying any number by 1 gives the same result. Now what about the sign? As we can see here, minus, product minus, 2 time minus given, so it will be plus. So either you can write plus here, the answer will be plus 316. If not, then plus will remain hidden, so need not have to mention it. This number will be considered as a positive number all the way. Now we'll work out on E part. The E question is minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Fine. Whenever we are given this way, so my dear student, please remember any number when we multiply by 0, because all these three numbers are connected with product multiplication and 0 is there, so the product will be always 0. So no need to multiply these two numbers even. You need to mention directly it is 0. Now we'll work out on F. Let's see. F we are given minus 12 in one bracket into minus 11 into 10. Fine. How to solve this? Let's see. Now we know very well here 10 is there. So simply focus on these two numbers, 12 into 11. In your rough column, you multiply 12 into 11, you will get the multiplication 132. And this minus and again with 10 also. Yes, first let me explain this. Minus, 2 time minus and product sign. So this number will become positive itself. Okay, so no need to mention plus, it will remain hidden into. Now work out upon this 10. So it will be multiplied with this because first time we are multiplying these two numbers. Fine. So 130 into 10, It gives the result 1320. This is the answer. Let's work out on G. The G says 9 into bracket minus 3 into minus 6. Clear to you? Now let's move out with that. How to solve? Let's work out. Here equal to. Fine. 9 is already there. Let it be. Minus 3 minus 6. Okay. First we are working upon these two negative numbers. As we know, the product of two negative number will be positive. 6 3 18. And what will be the sign of this 18? Of course, it will be positive. Now, work out on 18 into 9. Then 8 9 72. 7 carry over. 1 9 9 plus 7 gives the result 162. So, the solution of G is 162. Exercise 1.3, it's a question number 1. We are continuing. Find each of the following product. In that we are taking H. We are given H equal to minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Okay, let's see. Let me make your work easy. What I am going to do, I am writing minus 18 as it is. First I am working upon these two numbers. Okay, so these two numbers are minus 5 into minus 4. Fine. 5 4 ja, of course you will say 20. 5 4 ja 20. Now what about the sign? Think about the sign. Because of 2 times negative, while multiplying this will become positive. So we are not mentioning plus here. This number itself positive number. Okay. Now think about these two numbers. 18 into 20. Okay. For a while forget minus sign. 18 into 20. How to multiply? We know that 0 is already there. So let it be as it is. Now simply multiply 18 into 2. Okay. 18 2 ja 36 we know. Right? 18 2 ja 36. Now think about this sign. Here one of the member is negative in a product. So the answer of this question will be negative. Fine. This is the solution of H. Let's move out with the I. I says minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. This is the question. Okay. Let's work out upon that. Fine. Simple and very simple. What I am going to do, I am first making a pair of these two numbers and then these two numbers. Okay. Now I am going to multiply. Focus. Suppose these two numbers we are given. Think about this. 1 2 ja. Of course you will say mem 2. But as we know minus minus in product it will be plus. So no need to mention. Okay. Now what about 3 4 ja? Surely it will be 12. But product of these two number is 12. But one of the number is negative. Only one time negative. So this will be negative. Fine. Now let's multiply. 12 2 ja, double of 12 is 24. 12 2 ja 24. Now again you can see here the sign of one of the number. Out of these two number, one of the number is negative. That's why the answer of this will come negative. Okay. Now we'll work out on J. What is J? Let me note down. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Clear? So please look at your screen and see. I am again making the pair of these two numbers and here these two numbers. Clear? Now work out upon this thing. 3 6 ja, of course 18. Now what about the sign? This is minus. This is also minus. So minus minus plus. So the sign will remain hidden. No need to mention plus. Into. Work out upon this thing. 2 into 1. 2 1 ja 2. Again you can see both of the number, it's a sign negative. So in product, while multiplying, minus minus plus. So no need to mention. 18 2s are. Double of this 18 2 is 36 and both of them are positive. So answer is positive. This is the completion up to question number 1. It's a J. Clear?